welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm so excited because I'm actually going to be doing quite a bit of cooking throughout this vlog today. And I did just get my HelloFresh delivery for this week, so I have lots of really cool recipes to share with you guys. So thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video today. You guys know I worked with them a few times in the past and I absolutely love it. I love the fact that I'm able to switch up my daily routine of eating the same boring meals, but I also get to learn new skills in the kitchen. And what I love the most about HelloFresh is the fact that I don't have to run out to the grocery store to get every single ingredient to make a delicious meal. It's already prepped and pre-portioned out, which means no waste. I don't have to really get any extra ingredients other than what's in this bag, but of course you need the essentials, your salt, your pepper, and your oils, which most of us already have here in our homes. So the fact that everything is just ready to go and I get to kind of have fun cooking it myself makes it very fun and exciting. So this week's recipes include the Italian garden veggie soup. This has couscous in it. The next recipe I have this week is the Korean barbecue sirloin, and it looks like it has rice and carrots. So really excited to make this. And then what I'm going to do today is their balsamic fig chicken. This looks really yummy. I love the fact that they fit my lifestyle. You can get different plans, different boxes. I love the family style box, and I get mine for a person of 4 because I do utilize HelloFresh as meal prep. So why not get more than enough so I can get more meals out of it? I'm gonna be in the kitchen cooking it anyway, so might as well make it last as long as I can. So that is the #1 reason why I love HelloFresh. I also love the healthy recipes. So I always tell you guys to eat a perfect, well-rounded, balanced diet. So for example, what I'm going to be doing today has a healthy protein, healthy carb source, and your vegetables. So it literally takes all of the planning and the hard work out of it for you, and I'm all about the lazy way. Everything you're going to see in this video from all of my recipes are done the lazy way. We want to do it in a short amount of time. We want to get in all of our nutrients, and we want to have something that is tasty, because when it's tasty, you're going to continue to eat healthy. So if you guys are interested in HelloFresh and you want to learn more about it, definitely check out the link in the description box below to HelloFresh.com, and you can of course save $60 off your first month of HelloFresh by using my code KaylaLashae60. That also includes free shipping, and other restrictions might apply. So definitely check that out in the description box below. But I'm gonna get into cooking this meal. I am so hungry right now. I just finished chopping up the potatoes in like bite-sized quarter pieces, and all I'm going to do is add some salt, pepper, and olive oil, and then throw these bad boys in the oven while I continue to work on the chicken. My chicken is done. I did decide to kind of chop it up a little bit because I do need to weigh it out for my meal prep, although in the photo they had it all as just one breast. So I'm just gonna weigh out my protein for each individual meal. This way I can properly log it in my food tracker. Definitely check out my Amazon page. The links will be in the description box below for those of you guys that are interested in my glass meal prep containers and my scale. I use this every day, multiple times out of the day to keep my food nice and fresh. So gonna weigh out 4 ounces. Perfect for each container. Moving on to step number 4, I'm gonna make the glaze, basically including all of the other ingredients that I have left over using the bits from the pan that we cooked our chicken in. This right here is so good. I remember having a HelloFresh pork tenderloin and it had a similar recipe. And oh my god, the glaze was everything. I'm actually gonna put it on the potatoes and the chicken. So that's pretty much it for my meal prep. I'm so excited. So the thing about meal prep is I'm not gonna put the salad in every single container because I'm gonna be reheating this and I want it to stay nice and fresh. So I'll just plate the greens when I'm ready to eat my meal for lunch or dinner, and I've weighed out all of my food, and it's so great because all of the portions are perfect for each entire meal. I don't have to have extra ingredients left over, or I don't even have to have less than what I need for each meal. So I'll be eating this one right now, and then I'll have 3 left over for the rest of this week whenever I want to have them. So shout out again to HelloFresh, and if you guys are interested in trying it out, you can get $60 off of your first month, including free shipping, with the link in the description box below. I just took my pre-workout and it's not hitting right now, so I'm gonna do a little bit of stretching, and truthfully I should have updated my workout playlist because the bops aren't hitting the same. I need people to drop some new music. And Tekashi, I know there's a lot of talk about him and everything with that whole situation, but his new single is a bop for the workouts. I'm here for it, so I'm gonna listen to that today. I think I'm just gonna do dumbbell workout today. So if you guys have not seen my whole entire fitness journey, I did a huge video talking about everything. I even got you guys to ask questions, and I got to kind of answer those and give my advice solely based off of my experience, because that's the only thing I can speak on. I showed you guys my before photos, my after photos, footage from the journey itself, going back from, shoot, 2013. Oh, that was cringeworthy. So definitely check out that video. It's pretty informative if you ask me. So I'll drop a link down below and I'll pop it in the cards above so you guys can check that out. I'm burning some sage, clearing away some negativity, you know, all the good vibes. But this is my current situation right now. Just waiting for my pre-workout to kick in. And hopefully this will look a little bit more beefy once I get some more gear in from Amazon. So that's the vibe. The outfit today is, you guessed it, all Fabletics. I'll drop a link to Fabletics down below. I really got to get new Converse though, because they have seen better days, but I love wearing Converse because I have flat feet and they are just the most comfortable for me. So do what you do, live your best life. I'm not here to judge. And then of course I always work out with Beats. Some of you guys ask me, like, why do you have headphones on if you're at home? Listen, I have the dishwasher going, I have cartoons on, it's on mute right now for Leroy, so he has entertainment, and I just need something literally in my ear yelling at me. Okay, instead of a personal trainer, I can't get with that. Like, I need music, I need the bass, I need YG in my ear, like just getting it poppin'. Like, that's what motivates me, and it's almost like noise cancellation of the world around you. I don't know, it helps me focus, and these are the best headphones, I swear to you guys. They're up on my Amazon page, and they're just the wireless Beats. So good. I use them only for workouts, and I sweat. Like, they've been through it and they just keep up, and the quality, the investment of it is so worth it. So highly recommend them if you're looking for some new headphones to use for your workouts. But I'm gonna get this workout in and then I will see you guys afterwards and I can kind of recap on what I've done. You guys have seen me work out so much, so I won't bore you this time, but check out my videos if you want some good workouts at home, because I got you guys, I got you. I just finished my workout and I decided why not film it, so I ended up recording the whole workout for a video on my YouTube channel. It's a whole, I can't even talk. I killed myself with these gains. These gains though. Okay, so what I ended up doing was filming a whole video for you guys up on my YouTube channel for reference. Instead of sticking some random clips here, I decided to do a full body at home dumbbell only workout, full body, and let me tell you, everything is gonna be sore by the time I wake up tomorrow. I'm taking a little intermission. I'm importing footage right now so I can get some work done. Best day ever, I promise you guys. I've been having so much fun. So I'm going to have my protein shake right now, and you guys, I love the birthday cake. At first I was like, it doesn't even taste like birthday cake, but the more that I drink it, the more it actually has that flavor. So I'm happy that I have the 30 servings of this, because it might be my, well, definitely my second favorite next to strawberry milk. So hopefully they'll bring this flavor back again, because I need it. I need all of it in my life. And this is my favorite protein, and I've tried all the vegan proteins, and I know the struggle of trial and error and feeling like, oh my god, I just wasted all that money because it's expensive on something that you don't really like. And for me, I love the taste of this. So 1 scoop, getting in my protein right after my workout, and I'm excited. Check it out on my Amazon page. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Just getting a little crazy out here. Actually, might do more than 1 serving because I really need to get my protein in today. Let's do like 1.5. Not sponsored, but someone go tell Bless to sponsor me so y'all can get a coupon code or something. But I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna enjoy it. Sorry, I just washed this from my pre-workout, but it's my second meal today. My HelloFresh meal definitely kept me so full. Very satisfying. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like when I eat crappy foods and junk foods, I'm always hungry. And I'm like, why am I so hungry? I've been eating snacks all day. It's because you're not fueling your body with the right proper foods. With the proper foods that give it the energy that it needs, so you're always craving something more. It's like, please give me something real. So because I ate a proper meal, protein, carbs, veggies, and healthy fats, because I use olive oil in the food when I was cooking it, like, I was just good. I had so much energy today, and I only had 1 shot of coffee, espresso, so I'm good.